Hey Discord, welcome back to my episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we got this cool item right here, and basically what this is a phone stand. You can see the one that we got right here is from this brand, and this is what the product looks like when you guys first get it. So first I'm actually open this up to show you guys what the inside looks like. So once you guys take it out, the product is honestly wrapped up. Let's take out the wrapper first. So once you guys take it out, this is what the product looks like. So they probably got this little envelope with some spare parts. Let's see what's inside. So inside they probably got a little thank you card, and they probably got a bunch of these adhesive tape that you can use to stick onto it to replace it if there's anything wrong. And that is everything in the envelope. And then right here we do have the actual product. So you can see right here we have one tape. Bottom right here we have two tape. Back part we do have the brand logo and the little slot for you to put the cable through if you guys want to use the charging option. Right here they mention how the product is called the S1. And then here is basically what the bottom part looks like. So if you guys notice throughout the product, they do have like a non-scratch material that also works as a non-slip material as well. So that way when you guys put it onto your table, it won't move around, which is kind of cool. But I do love the fact that how they actually have this option in the back. So that way you can put the cables through to charge your phone if you guys need to, which is kind of cool. And if you guys notice, the one that we got right here is a black color. They do have this available in other colors as well. So definitely want to do your own research to see which one you prefer. And in terms of material they use on here, they mention how I should use aluminum alloy, if you guys can hear. So that is everything that's on the product. Let me put my phone on here to show you guys how it works. So you do have the option to put it like this. And when you guys do put it on here, it won't really move too much because of the non-slip material that's on here. But you do have the option to use it this way, or you can turn it this way and use it that way as well, which is kind of cool. And like I mentioned, it does give you guys a little slot for you to put your cables through like this. So that way if you guys want to charge your phone on here, you do have the option available. So if you guys charge it, you can see how the cable goes right here. And here's basically what the front part looks like when you guys do set it up. Here's what the product looks like from the front. If you guys turn on to the back, here's what the product looks like from the back. And like I mentioned, it does have a non-slip material in the bottom, so it won't really move too much when you guys do set it up, which is kind of nice. But that is basically what the product looks like once you guys do set it up. If you guys even want to, if you do have an AirPod, you can definitely put in this little slot right here. But that is everything that's on the product. Now to go unboxing and testing product. Now to end question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this phone stand, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want or need one of these. Especially if you guys are trying to look for a very simple and very basic phone stand that give you guys the option right here to put your cables through to charge it. And also have the non-slip material on here to prevent it from moving around when you guys actually do use it. Then I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or having one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.